Shared this trade with my community members, and within 24 hours we already hit our take profit. How did we get this coin? Because I'm following these people on Twitter and I also understand fundamental analysis. If we come to CoinMarketCap, then we search for COAI, which is Chain Opera AI. Then you come to the community sentiment at the top right hand side. Now you can see that this coin is currently 59% community sentiment, meaning it has started going down. So if I was supposed to trade this coin, I'll be looking at selling it. If we also scroll down here, we saw that there were a couple of news about this coin for the past 24 days. This allowed this token to go from 0.1 cent to almost $5 within 1 week. You can see it here. So anytime you are trying to trade, always ask yourself this question: do we have bullish sentiment or do we have bearish sentiment? Now, when we talk of fundamental analysis, we are simply saying external events that affect the current financial market. So maybe there is news happening in United States or there is news happening in Germany. This is actually affecting the current direction of the price of the token you are about to trade. I'll give you some people to follow on Twitter, so check the video description. I'll list their names down so that you can follow them. Anytime there is an update in the financial market, it will definitely affect the price of the tokens, whether you are trading forex or you are trading crypto. Have you remember last week Altcoin, okay, this particular token, it went from $1 to almost $17 within 2 days. It was because the Formula One racing was coming, so people were buying the tickets. So because of this, it affected the price of the token, meaning next year when this program is going to happen, the coin is going to go bullish again. This is just fundamentals. These are external events that are affecting the market price of the token. You want to trade Bitcoin, you have to check and see whether the news is related to Bitcoin. Is it positive or negative? Because at the end of the day, if the news is positive, it will let the price go up. If the news is negative, it will let the price go down. So what I will do is I'll come to my trading account here. So when we go to investing.com is where we are going to get the news from. So I will usually click on the economic calendar, right? You can also download the app onto your smartphone. Now when you click on the economic calendar, just scroll down and filter out so that we can get the major countries. So the major countries are United Kingdom, United States, and also you can add China. Okay, you can add China or Germany, but for me I go with United States and United Kingdom because I'm trading only crypto. So if you are trading forex, you can go with China and you can go with Australia, Sydney. So I'll click on the filter button. Okay, when you click on the filter button, tick Germany, and also you can tick on United States and United Kingdom. Down below, use the display timer, then you can click on the third part, right? Now when you click on the third part, below we have the news from Fed chairman. We also have the 30-year bond auction. Okay, so this is the news happening today. Right now I'm in Singapore, so if I check, the time is 13:40, meaning this news will be happening maybe 2-3 hours time. Usually when the news come out and is positive, it will let the price of the US dollar go up. If the price of the US dollar is going up, Bitcoin price will be going down, and if Bitcoin price is going up, the US dollar will reduce in strength if you are trading Bitcoin. Now if we go back to the TradingView and we search for BTC.P, when you search for BTC.P, then you select where your trading account is, whether you are trading on Bybit, Binance or OKX. So I'll select on this token here. You can see last week I did the analysis. If you check my profile, I said that Bitcoin will start dropping this month because Bitcoin have been able to reach all-time high. Our new responsibility here is to target the token that will give us the most money. Always ask yourself, what market cycle are we in? Then inside the market cycle, we have something we call market structure. So in the market structure, it's either the market is making higher highs or it's making lower lows. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is making lower lows and lower highs. So starting from 9th October to like 30th November, what you are thinking about is taking selling trades. But when you are doing day trading, depending on your strategy, if it is 1 hour time frame, 4 hours or 5 hours time frame, because once the community starts selling or everything start going down, people start to remove their money, and once they start removing, you see the price of the token going down. The same thing when I shared this token last week, I saw that okay, at the end of the day, when people start buying something, the price will start to move up, and you are going to take a trade. Ask yourself, what are the fundamentals saying? If the fundamentals are talking about a particular product or project, then ask yourself, is it a positive news or negative? If it is negative news, sooner or later, the price of the token will start going down. If it's a positive news, sooner or later, the price of the thing will start going up. At the end of the day, we need to ask ourselves this question before we take each trade. And also, before you take the trade, always remember to ask yourself the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is going up, chances are 99% of the alternative tokens also imitate the price of Bitcoin, so they will start to go up. But if Bitcoin is going down or consolidating, the price of the alternative tokens will go down. So we have a community here in Dubai where we discuss about the crypto market and share information about trading tokens. So if you want to get 100x, 200x on any token, or you are new to crypto, you want to join the family and also trade and travel, just comment add. If you comment add, I'll add you to the community and you can also start participating. At the end of the day, it's very good for you to be among people who are making money in the industry you want to be, and sooner or later you see results.